Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this keyboard. It's from Aula and the model is F2028 and it's actually marketed as multimedia keyboard. That's right, the keyboard features a rotary knob and dedicated multimedia buttons here. Now on the back there's the keyboard specifications available in various languages. The keyboard is compatible with most Windows operating system, weighed at around 0.7 kilograms, RGB backlight, and features a membrane with 10 million key lifetimes. Yes, of course, it's membrane. It's really cheap. Now it's sealed, bought brand new from the Aula official store. Let's open this up. Both sides are secured with this foam. Now underneath we got the keycap puller in case you want to change the keycaps. And this is the manual. Go ahead, pause it if you need it. I'm going to demonstrate all the features later, by the way. This is the shortcut functions. It's available in multiple languages. First impression, for its price, this actually looks decent. The finish really makes this keyboard look heavier than it is. It's actually pretty light. Here's the keycap profile. And this is the rotary knob, smooth. You can click it as well. And the multimedia buttons. I'm glad it's not made of some cheap rubber buttons. It's plastic and you can feel the click. Tested out the keys. The left shift key kind of rattles and snappy. The rest seems to be okay. Aula claimed the top was made of thick sandblasted metal, but I'm really not sure it sounded the same as the back housing. The USB cable made of rubber, nothing special about it. The length is 1.6 meters. Two rubber paddings on the back. And also got this flap to incline the keyboard. Alright, so this rotary knob got two functions. First one to control the volume, the second function is to control the lighting. To switch between those functions, you press and hold until the light blinks. Now this will function as volume controller. If you tap on it, it will mute the multimedia player. To switch the rotary knob to configure the lighting modes, all you have to do is press and hold until the light blinks. Now the rotary knob function switch to the lighting effect controller. Scroll up to increase the brightness. It will blinks if you reach the maximum setting. Scroll down to decrease. Again, it will blinks once it's reached the maximum settings. The lighting is not that bright, but here's the look of it from the side. Now to change the lighting effect, it's kind of tricky. You have to press and hold the rotary knob for about 1 second or less and release it just before it switches between lighting and multimedia function. A little bit inconvenient because you had to get the timing correct each time, hold and release. If you hold any longer than that, the rotary knob function switches to the multimedia function. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling to show you all the lighting modes that are available in this keyboard. To adjust the lighting effect speed, simply hold function and press either left or right arrow. By the way, there's this one key that bothers me because the light's kind of leaking through and it creates uneven distributions of light. All the others are fine, just this one. Okay, now we go to the shortcut function, Windows lock, simply hold function and press the Windows key. But there's no light indicator that shows it's locked. These indicators are just for numlock, scroll lock, and caps lock. All the F row here got a shortcut function, simply hold function and press any of these keys. Go ahead, pause it, it's pretty straightforward. By the way, F5 and F7 got the same function, I don't know why. And it's weird they had to put multimedia function into the shortcut because there are dedicated multimedia buttons here. There's rewind, play, stop, and forward. So why bother putting it on the shortcut? Anyway, let's do the sound test. By the way, I got this keyboard for 11 US dollar. That's around 160,000 Indonesian rupiah. Really cheap, consider that this keyboard got dedicated multimedia buttons, rotary knob, RGB lights, and metal top housing, sort of. Overall, seems to fit the price, but one thing that the keyboard lacks in my opinion is the membrane. It's really not that good. The typing experience is mediocre, the keycaps seemingly too wobbly. By the way, I've used a lot of membrane keyboard in the past and some of them are actually good. Membrane's keyboard is really not that bad, but this one I personally don't like it. But I don't think it's going to be a problem for those who are going to use this keyboard mainly for gaming. Again, the price is just about right. I mean, if I'm about to compare this with other keyboard within the same price range, say GK1000 from HP, it's a bundle product, comes with keyboard and mouse. As far as I remember, I have a better typing experience in that keyboard. However, it lacks of RGB lights, multimedia buttons, and its housing fully made of plastic material. So you kind of have to choose which one is more important for you. Again, with this price being so dirt cheap, you can't get anything on it. They kind of have to compensate on some of its features, apparently. So overall, this is a good keyboard. For the price, I really can't complain. That's that. Thanks for watching and bye guys.